Hello everyone. I hope everyone is fine, everyone is good and safe in the comfort of your home and enjoying your weekend with your family with this cloudy moudy weather. Today I'm back with a very simple, easy and quick recipe, and anyone can try this because it is very simple, and if you are a seafood lover, this recipe is perfect for you. What are you waiting for? Go and check it out. This is tuna fish. I bought it near my home here, and you have to marinate it for 1 hour with chili powder, lime and salt, and add some chilies, garlic and coriander leaf and salt. And you can add some water, not much, and you cook for 30 to 40 minutes in low flame and don't stir it. And it's ready in 40 minutes. So this recipe is very easy, quick, simple and very healthy. So if you are a seafood lover, you'll love this recipe, because when you eat something healthy, your body feels good and you feel good. So everyone, stay healthy, stay safe, sending lots of love and peace to everyone. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice weekend, have a blessed weekend, stay safe.